My name is Ekaterina Vilchikova, and I represent Agency of Creative Industries, which is part of Moscow government. We support creative industries, and we focus on video game industry at the moment. We are building Moscow Game Hub, which is a special infrastructural solution for game developers. And we brought 10 Russian or Moscow-based companies here to the IGDC. We sponsored the booth for them, and we would like to showcase our projects to the Indian market, as we consider Indian market very promising for cooperation. We would like to thank the government of the state Tamil Nadu for providing such an opportunity to take part in the 17th edition of the IGDC. This is an honor for us, and we hope that we will start or launch communication and cooperation with the Indian market. This is just the first step, and we definitely hope for the better. Thank you.